Hello everyone, my name is Brahma Prakash Gaur. I am a sound healer, life counselor, sadhana guide. Just look around yourself and have this question in mind. What is the biggest killjoy for most people? And I am sure one answer is inescapable. Relationship challenges. Everyone wants to thrive in life and have all-round harmonious relationships. Sadly, it does not happen this way. Relationship challenges or blocks sprout in many areas such as married life, family relationships, relationship with friends, interactions at the workplace. Sometimes there may be challenges relating to money which make life difficult and have serious repercussions on one's own self-worth. So all these challenges, they tend to take away our energies. They deplete us from within. The joy goes out of our lives. We feel bewildered and lost. In short, relationship challenges take the juice out of our existence. There is good news though. No one needs to suffer due to a challenge in relationship. Help is available at hand. First and foremost, one needs to recognize that he or she needs help and be open about it. Secondly, some refinement is needed in understanding. One would do well to recognize that life is dynamic and any relationship is therefore an interplay of energies of two or more persons or entities. As such, a combination of sound healing and some other techniques can infuse positive energy into the relationship and clear energy blocks, if any. Such clearing can help relationships improve in a big way. Does this sound exciting? I am sure it does. You would be happy to learn that very soon I am offering a program titled Harmonise Your Relationships. It will be a paid program, run over 2 weeks, and will have 10 sessions of 1 hour each. If you wish to know more about it, please WhatsApp me at my number, which is 918879010000. This number is given at the end of this video also. I look forward to hearing from you. And those of you who would not be very comfortable in a group session and would like to consult me privately can also do that. Just send me a message at my number, which I have shared. So I look forward to hearing from you. Be blessed. Lots of love.